Okay folks, we're finally going to plant some of our so-called Trachycarpus Takil palms out here. No, these aren't the ones that I grew from seed that I got from Utah. These came from somewhere else, the seed. So they claim they are Trachycarpus Takil. We are going to find out. I've had them in the greenhouse for a long time. They're getting kind of stressed. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them, got the tag in there, and we'll see if they actually are indeed true Takil. We'll see as the leaves mature. I know they say the strap-like leaves have so many ridges on them, different than a regular Trachycarpus fortunei. But anyway, they're seedlings. We've planted them here with a bunch of yuccas along this bank. One of our driveways. We have 3 driveways here. This is our far driveway. And we're just going to kind of put them to the test. I mean, there's Trachycarpus fortunei palms growing everywhere along here. So if these are indeed true Takil, that'd be pretty awesome. We got a good area here. There was a boxwood planted in here with good soil. It died in the drought. So I ripped that out a while ago, added some more soil, and well, stay tuned for updates on these so-called Trachycarpus Takil. I still have my doubts whether they're really true Takil, because it's hard to find true Takil. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos here on this channel about palmy things.